Hello, I am Joan Gomez, student the engineer electronic. This video is to approve point 2. I chose Cerro Matoso, a company that extracts mineral from the earth, like gold, cobalt, in which I am very concerned about the strong impact environment generated in the extraction of these minerals. Basically, what I wrote in him in letter was to show me a report in which I can verify the process that are being carried for the development of mineral extraction, and the review for help them improve their technological process through to improve efficiency and avoiding polluting the environment by optimizing process. How this company contributes the pollution are the world. This company extract the minerals drilling the subsoil, the damaging water resources, displacing flora and fauna, and using process that generate the environment which they are extracted in useless. What option and demand were expressed in the formal letter that was sent to them? In the formal letter that they were asked to review their process and report to me on which I proposed to improve the extraction process with technology in making this generate a positive impact on the environment trained to avoid chemical minerals in extraction. One of the ideas that previous is to use a sensor that let us know where there is material and where and not. The to prevent land that does not have this mineral is exploited, causing great damage to environment. Use a system robotics that allows the cleaning of the water and the extraction of the chemicals that pour in, into it so we can try to improve the extraction of minerals from a greener way. Uh, Thank you. I am Joan Gomez.